Good morning! We're doing this today. Ah! Ooh. We're on the single kayaks today instead of the big double one.
Yep, you're single today, darling.
Yeah. So nice day for it. Looks like there's a bit of wind, so it might be a little bit rough and choppy and whatever. So we'll see how far we can get this time. This is my first time on a single kayak, so yeah. See ya!
Bye.
So this is the Marai River here in Warrnambool. So it goes right out to the ocean behind this. And we're going to go see if we can go up to the bridge in front of us and see if we can go under the bridge this time, because last time we got stuck on a whole heap of rocks because it was low tide. So we'll see how far we can get. The tide's slightly a little bit low here, so we're struggling to get over the rocks. Plus the current's coming the opposite direction as well. We've just hired, these are not our kayaks, we've hired them for the day. So down at the Backpackers, they do kayaks, surfboards, paddleboards, all that kind of thing. And I think for the two singles is 20 bucks each. So that's not too bad. That's for an hour as well. The only thing is we have to stay in this river, we can't go any further. Are you going to give up or?
Huh? I'm going to go up.
Oh yeah.
Pick it up and walk it.
Really?
Yeah.
Sorry, I was getting dragged out before, now I'm getting dragged back in. Be careful. Don't slip. Baroo. The rocks look slippery. You know what we haven't done this summer yet? No. Snorkeling.
True.
You know you're gonna have to come back and help me, right? We made it to the other side. We had to get out and walk through. That's alright, we made it. We should be able to just hopefully, on the way back, glide through because the current's going back the other way. So, Ben's out there somewhere.
We made it.
And now it's pool time. You can see Ben under the water there. Yeah. Time to jump in the pool. Summertime in Australia. Water went up my nose.
Oh, hi.
Hey, bud.
You go rest.
Oh no. I was literally right behind you when you came over in front of me.
What? Just miss.
He didn't know.
Why do you have a crab bar?
Buddy's over there.